Public art to me is really important because it's the first type of art that we see rather than the art in museums. And it's something that we see every day. It's a part of our lives and it gets ingrained in our brain.
Public art matters to me because it can portray things that words can't portray, and it can reach the general public. It's something that you can't get across through words, and instead you can show it and it can inspire others to do the same.
In their eyes, public art for a cause.
Public art matters to me because ever since I was a little kid, art has always been somewhere a part of Jersey City.
In 2022, students from Jersey City Arts in Jersey City, New Jersey, participated in the Inside Out project. Founded by French artist J.R., the Inside Out project helps communities share their beliefs through public art.
Right now, we're setting up an installation. We're trying to promote awareness of mental health around the world. We're doing that and we're putting a face behind the cause.
The students collaborated to write a statement that conveys their beliefs about mental health. They photographed one another and then worked together to paste the large-scale portraits in a public plaza.
I loved taking photos with my friends, taking photos of my friends, helping them glue stuff up. These posters are huge.
We pasted everything using an adhesive and also squeegee and stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's super meticulous, but of course it's not going to be perfect, but it definitely does the job.
The students decided to use their artwork to raise awareness about the importance of access to mental health resources.
As an artist and just as a person in general, I do struggle with mental health.
Mental health is something that is overlooked by everyone. It's something that you'll just be like, oh, I don't feel so good, but that's fine. I still have homework. I still have to study.
I mean, especially with the pandemic, I think we were put at a pause, and then suddenly after quarantine was over, everything just felt so rushed and we were put under so much pressure.
According to a 2018 Pew Research Center poll, 70% of teenagers said anxiety and depression were major problems among their peers. The COVID-19 pandemic has only exacerbated the problem. A report from the Center for Disease Control found that the proportion of 12 to 17-year-olds visiting emergency rooms for mental health reasons rose 31% for most of 2020 compared with 2019.
Not everyone is able to kind of get the help they need as soon as they need it. And I think just raising awareness and recognizing that everyone has kind of their own mental health struggles and that they should be able to kind of get the help they need is really important.
That we should be taking that time out to really look at ourselves and reflect on ourselves and make sure we are okay.
The statement that we're making with our art is to put yourself first before your productivity.
We always put up a facade when we're around people, and we all have our internal struggles. And so getting together and talking about it together was really powerful for us.
And it's not just a photo of somebody or of students lined up. It's people who want to bring attention to mental health and tell everybody that their health matters.
To date, more than 400,000 people in 138 countries have participated in the Inside Out project.
I think that when strangers will pass by and see our portraits, I think it will have an effect on them.
All of these pictures, all of these faces are facing the same problems as you, and we're all here together, so you're not alone in anything you do.